Hey guys, this is Bit Commander. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a Bybit account on your phone, step by step. We'll also go through how to do ID verification and set up security. Let's take it slow and make it super easy. Bybit is one of the top 3 crypto exchanges in the world. It's super easy to use, even for beginners, thanks to its user-friendly interface. Plus, it's really safe and secure from hacking. So don't risk using some random exchange you've never heard of. I recommend sticking with Bybit. Alright, first, let's download the Bybit app on your phone. This is the Bybit app. Just go ahead and install it. Once it's installed, go ahead and open the app. Normally, when you open the app for the first time, the sign-up page will show up right away. But if it doesn't, just tap the profile icon in the top left corner. Then, you'll see the Sign Up button. At the top right, you can switch between the Sign Up and Log In pages. Just keep that in mind. You can sign up with either your email or your phone number. I'm going to use my email for this example. You'll need to verify your email, so make sure to use one you actually use. For the password, make sure it's at least 8 characters, with 1 capital letter, 1 lowercase letter, and a number. Next, you'll see a spot that says Referral Code. You'll see it in small text under the email or password box. Tap on that, and a box will show up where you can enter the referral code. Just enter 82271 and sign up. You'll get 20% off trading fees for life on Bybit. Every time you trade, you pay a fee, so don't forget to use this code and save on every trade. It says the discount lasts 90 days, but don't worry, it keeps renewing automatically, so you'll get the discount for life. Once you've entered the code, go ahead and tap the Sign Up button. Now just drag the puzzle piece to the right spot to verify. Now a 6-digit code has been sent to your email. Just enter that code here. Great! Your Bybit account is now created. But to start trading, you'll need to complete both identity and security verification. Let's start with identity verification first. Go ahead and tap the Verify Now button. Let's keep going and tap Verify. Now choose your country. Then pick a document for verification. It can be your driver's license, ID card, or passport. Once you've made your choice, tap Confirm at the bottom. If you're not from the US, choose the first option. If you are from the US, go with the second one. Now, take a photo of your document inside the frame. I chose a driver's license, so I'll take a picture of that. Next, take a photo of your face. Just follow the instructions on the screen. Okay, the identity verification is done. Once it's approved, it will say Verified ID on the screen. It usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes to get verified. Alright, now let's set up your security verification. Tap the Security button. If you're not on this screen, tap the profile icon at the top left. Then you'll see the security option. Now scroll down a bit. You'll see Google Authentication. Let's turn it on. Now a 6-digit code will be sent to your email. Just enter the code here. The code will be sent to the email you used to create your Bybit account. Type the 6-digit code and tap Continue. Then you'll see your verification key. But first, you need to download the Google Authenticator app. This is the Google Authenticator app. Just install this one. Once it's installed, go ahead and open the app. Then, tap the plus button at the bottom right. And choose Enter Setup Key. You can write anything for the account name. It doesn't really matter. For the key section, just paste the code from Bybit. Then just tap the Add button. Now you'll see a 6-digit code in the app. Just enter that code into Bybit. From now on, whenever you log in or withdraw, open the Google Authenticator app and type in the code you see there. All right. If you followed all the steps, your Bybit account is now fully ready. You can deposit, withdraw, and start trading. And don't forget, the fee discount code I shared only works when you sign up. So make sure to use it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.